afternoon, everyone, and welcome to today's edition of the Daily Weather by the Weather Wizard. In today's video, we're going to discuss the warm pattern that we're in right now, unseasonably warm, how dry it is, and why the temperatures are getting way higher than the Weather Service and everyone is saying. I will explain that, and we'll also talk about, believe it or not, some snow chances for next week. So winter is not over, and I will talk about possibly, not amounts yet, but what the setup is. So definitely stick around and let's get into today's weather. Alright guys, here is today's weather app produced by National Weather Service. Right now we're dominated by high pressure. We have been for the last 3 or 4 days. There will be clouds that build in this afternoon. A little bit of clouds now actually, as I look out my window. But the sun's still shining as we get very warm today. This high pressure will scoot out as this storm here will rain here, and the storm will go like this, track northwest of us. This will create for a little bit of rain tomorrow, some scattered rain, but also reinforce the warm air as there will be a warm front that pushes north, and this will soar temperatures in the upper 60s and lower 70s for tomorrow and Thursday. And then our next storm after that will come through, but it will take a track a little bit more to the southwest like this. Whether we get the heaviest rain to this system is still in question, but I think we could see a good dose of rain, half an inch to an inch of rain possibly, maybe even more depending on the exact track of the system. There will be some wind, gusts 40, 45 miles an hour at times on Friday. As this cold front rips through, temperatures will be dropping from the upper 50s to lower 60s on Friday to the 40s by the end of the weekend, and possibly even highs struggling to get out of the 30s for Monday. So we're going to have to see how that develops. In longer range, Monday, maybe some snow. We'll have to see from maybe a nor'easter, says the European model. So that's something we're going to have to watch. That is all for your short and long term. And now let's get into our 7-day forecast. Alright guys, here's your 7-day forecast. Today, a few clouds. I expect temperatures to get in the upper 60s. However, the Weather Channel, everyone is saying around 63. I think we'll get higher than that just because we are so dry that the sun will spend its energy heating up the ground instead of evaporating the moisture. Like we saw yesterday, it almost got up to 70 when the forecasted high was in the lower 60s. So I think that will be the case for Wednesday and Thursday. Maybe not so much Friday though, because it will be a little moister. But tonight it will be very warm, highs in the upper 40s to lower 50s. Tomorrow, same, basically highs in the upper 60s to near 70 with lows in the lower 50s. Thursday, you can expect very balmy. The record is 77. Depending on how much sun we get, the record of 77 could be threatened. I don't think we could break it though. We'll probably be within a few degrees though. High of 74. Friday, some thunderstorms with some rain. Highs will be in the lower 60s to upper 50s. And then your weekend, much cooler temperatures in the upper 40s to near 50, with rain changing to snow on Sunday into Monday, and then clearing with very cold air as we enter a brief period of trough in the upper 30s for highs. So that is all for today's forecast, everyone. Thank you, stay tuned, and have a weather-tastic day. Also, please be sure to subscribe to The Left if you have not already done so. Give this video a thumbs up. Make sure to turn those notifications on so you're notified of my daily uploaded weather videos. And if you want to view my previous video, just click to the right. That is all for today, guys. I'll see you in tomorrow morning's upload.